The 2021 edition of the Summer School in Human Sciences and Society is part of a larger initiative of the Department of Human Sciences at the University of Verona to enrich its program and offer to master students and Erasmus students. This year's edition is dedicated to studying, living and working in times of crisis, and is supposed to give a multifocal perspective on the multifarious and complicated concept of crisis, a crisis that we are living through. We will be drawing on the multiple expertise of our department to investigate urgent questions such as what can we learn from past crises to better our times, what is the impact of present crisis on workers' self-identities, and how this affects their gender, their role in society, and other aspects of human life. And especially we will also try to understand crisis from an emotional point of view. What does it mean to have emotions connected to crisis? What is the impact of these emotions on our life? The summer school will take place in September from Monday the 6th to Friday the 17th. And it will be organized in 2 different weeks. The first week we will have lectures and seminars from the teaching staff at the Department of Human Sciences and from invited teachers from without. Then in the second week, students will be divided into groups in order to have research work on projects and ideas that were stimulated by the discussions in the first week. So the idea at the end is to have plenary discussions on the projects and on the initiatives coming from the students themselves, of course under the mentorship of the teaching staff. But it won't be only work. We also have enjoyable moments, excursions in the Verona area, and also get together in order to enjoy our time together. This is a truly multidisciplinary school. We will be exploring the concept of crisis from a broad range of perspectives that goes from history and philosophy, philosophy of science, education, sociology, neurosciences, cognitive psychology, and many more. In a world of ever-increasing specialization and complexity, our school aims to give the students new tools, new insights, new ideas, and most of all, an overarching outlook they might not have had.